Hello, my name is Sylvia, and before I share something that completely transformed how I see myself, let me ask you one thing. Stay with me until the end of this video because maybe, just maybe, you'll rediscover a passion that was buried for too long, or find a new one that could change everything. And if you're someone who craves creativity, calm, and the joy of building things with your hands, hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about simple, real ways to transform your life through purpose and passion. Now, let me ask you something honest. Have you ever felt stuck? Like something's missing, even if you can't explain what? Maybe your days feel the same. You wake up, go through the motions, and deep down, you just feel unfulfilled. That was me. I wasn't depressed. I wasn't unhappy. But I had lost my spark. Until one day, almost by accident, I picked up a piece of wood in the garage and started building something small, just a simple birdhouse. And in that quiet moment, something clicked. The smell of the wood, the feeling of shaping something with my hands, the satisfaction of creating something real. I felt alive again. That's when I discovered something that took everything to the next level, something called Teds Woodworking, a massive collection of over 16,000 woodworking plans for people like me, beginners, hobbyists, or anyone who wants to create with confidence. I had no experience, no fancy tools, and zero clue where to start, but this gave me step-by-step instructions, clear diagrams, materials lists, and most importantly, the feeling that I could actually do it. Suddenly, I was making furniture, shelves, frames, benches, even small things to sell at local fairs. It didn't just bring joy, it brought income, and more than anything, it gave me a sense of purpose I didn't know I had lost. You don't have to be an expert, you don't have to be crafty, you just need to be curious and willing to try. Whether you want to build something for your home, your kids, your garden, or even start selling handmade pieces, Teds Woodworking gives you the roadmap and the inspiration. 16,000 plus plans, projects for every level, and the kind of guidance that makes you feel confident, not confused. And best of all, you don't need a workshop, just a small space and that desire to create. I didn't expect a set of woodworking plans to change my life. But here I am, waking up excited to build something new, feeling proud, feeling creative, and yes, finally earning money from something that brings me joy. There's something incredibly healing about working with your hands. It calms your mind, it gives you clarity, it reminds you that you can build something beautiful, even if your life feels messy sometimes. If you've been feeling like you're missing something, or if you've ever thought, I wish I had a hobby, or I wish I could make extra income from home, please listen to me. You can. You just need the right guidance. And Teds Woodworking is exactly that. If you're curious, check the official link in the description. Just take a look. You might find something that lights you up inside, like it did for me. I never imagined I'd be building things. I never imagined strangers would pay for my handmade creations. I never imagined I'd feel this kind of peace and satisfaction just from holding a piece of wood. But here I am, and maybe, just maybe, this is your moment too. Thank you for being here with me. If this video spoke to you, please support the channel by subscribing. It truly helps me keep sharing stories like this. I'll see you in the next one. And who knows, maybe your next chapter starts with a simple plank of wood and an idea.